Artificial intelligence is increasingly the first place people turn during emergencies. Residents ask questions like, is there an evacuation order? Is the road closed? Is it safe to return home? But AI systems do not retrieve a single official source. They assemble answers from multiple signals, including news coverage, older updates, and nearby jurisdictions. This creates a specific type of risk. During a hurricane, an evacuation order may be issued for a specific zone. An earlier advisory, still available online, may not reflect the current order. AI systems can combine both and present an answer that is partially outdated or unclear about who issued it. During a wildfire, containment status can change throughout the day. One update may state the fire is uncontained. A later update may report partial containment. If AI systems blend these updates, the result can appear contradictory or uncertain. During a flood event, a road closure may apply to a specific county or municipality. Nearby areas may remain open. AI systems can collapse these boundaries and present the closure as if it applies more broadly, or to the wrong location. During a hazardous materials incident, public safety guidance can change rapidly. Shelter-in-place instructions may later transition to evacuation. Without clear timing signals, AI systems may present outdated guidance as current. These are not failures of the underlying information, they are failures of interpretation. AI systems are trying to determine three things: who issued the information when it was issued, and where it applies. But most public communications are not structured for that type of interpretation. A national AI feed changes this. Each emergency update becomes a structured, machine-readable record. It explicitly defines the issuing authority, the jurisdiction, and the timestamp. Instead of interpreting fragmented content, AI systems can reference a clear, authoritative record. This does not replace existing systems. Websites, alerts, and press releases remain the primary method of communication. The feed exists alongside them, as a layer designed specifically for AI interpretation. As more people rely on AI to understand real-time situations, the accuracy of those interpretations becomes part of the public safety environment itself. A national AI feed introduces structure where ambiguity currently exists. Again, AI is already answering questions in your community. Aigistry is how you help it get those answers right, instead of leaving it to guess. For information on how to upload updates or request access to the registry, visit the Upload and Request Access pages.